The age of wobbly phones and camera bumps may finally be ending, and we have Google to thank. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. For years, smartphone design has become a sea of sameness, with flat sides, flat screens, big batteries, triple lens arrays, and rounded corners. But one thing has remained painfully annoying: those ugly top left camera bumps. Not only are they fingerprint magnets and dust traps, but they also make phones rock like a seesaw on a flat table, like it's 2025. Hello. Why is this still a thing? But the camera bar revolution is finally here, a design that Google popularized with the Pixel 6 and perfected with the Pixel 10 Pro. Now it seems Apple and Samsung are finally catching up too. Leaked renders of the iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Air, and Galaxy S26 Edge all showcase a similar camera island that stretches horizontally across the back of the phone, centering the weight and minimizing wobble. There's just one problem, which is only Google is doing it right. While Apple and Samsung's new camera bars do reduce the lens bulge, they still don't fully eliminate it. Meanwhile, Google's bar is completely flush, reinforced with metal trim, and frankly, it looks better too. It's cleaner, more durable, and more aesthetic. This shift isn't just cosmetic. Centering the camera mass will improve balance, protect lenses during drops, and even make the phone more comfortable to hold. It's rare to see hardware catch up to user frustrations this directly. So, as the iPhone 17 and Galaxy S26 get the praise, remember that Google led this designed evolution. And if Apple and Samsung want to truly fix their phone's worst feature, they'll need to stop half copying and start catching up for real. Do you agree with us? Comment down below, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update.